What a beautiful morning.
It really is. The sun is shining and it's not too hot.
Look at all the people. Everyone is here today.
I can already smell something delicious.
Me too. Fresh coffee and warm bread.
Can we get coffee first?
Let's walk around a little bit first.
Okay. Did you bring the reusable bags?
Yes, I have 2 canvas bags right here.
Good. We don't want to use plastic.
So, where should we start?
I see fruit over there. That sign says local organic fruit.
Local means it grows near here, right?
Exactly. From farms close to the city.
That means it's fresh.
And it doesn't travel on a big truck.
I love the atmosphere here.
Me too. Way better than the supermarket.
The supermarket is boring. This is fun.
Hey, look at that dog.
A golden retriever. He looks happy.
All right, let's go to the fruit stand.
I'm ready. I hope they have samples.
You always want free food.
Trying it is part of the fun.
Okay, lead the way.
Wow, look at the color of these strawberries.
They're so red. They look perfect.
And these peaches are huge.
Excuse me, are these peaches sweet?
Oh, look, they have samples.
Go ahead, try one.
This is amazing.
Is it sweet?
Very sweet and juicy. You should try it.
Okay, just a small piece. Wow, that tastes like summer.
We have to buy some.
How much are they?
$3 per pound.
That's a little expensive.
But the quality is much better than the store.
True. Let's get 3 peaches.
Only 3? Let's get 5.
We can't eat 5 before they go bad.
I can eat 5 today, trust me.
All right, pick 5 good ones.
I'm choosing the soft ones.
Just don't squeeze them too hard.
I'm being gentle.
These strawberries look great too.
Let's get 1 basket.
Okay, put them in the bag carefully.
Now we need vegetables for dinner.
What are we cooking tonight?
I'm not sure yet. Let's see what's fresh.
Look at this corn.
Corn on the cob. We can grill it.
With butter?
Of course.
How many should we get?
Let's get 4 ears of corn.
I'll pick them.
Look at these tomatoes. So many colors.
Red, yellow, even purple.
They're heirloom tomatoes.
They look kind of ugly.
No, they're beautiful and delicious.
Okay, tomato salad it is.
With cucumbers.
Do we have cucumbers at home?
No, we finished them yesterday.
Then let's buy one.
Whoa, look at this zucchini. It's huge.
That's too big.
Really?
Yes, small ones taste better.
I didn't know that.
Big ones are watery.
You know a lot about vegetables.
I watch cooking shows.
Okay, Chef Tom. Anything else?
Just some onions and we're done.
Okay, we have all the healthy food.
Fruit and vegetables, check.
Now, follow your nose.
Cinnamon and sugar.
The bakery is right there.
Look at those loaves of bread.
Sourdough, whole wheat, rye.
We need bread for the week.
Let's get sourdough.
Is it sliced?
No, it's a whole loaf.
That keeps it fresh longer.
Tom, look at the pastries.
Croissants and muffins.
Can we get a treat?
Well, it is Sunday.
I want that chocolate croissant.
It looks very rich.
We can share it.
Half for you, half for me.
Deal.
Just one treat.
You're very strict.
I'm practical.
1 chocolate croissant, please.
Do you take cards?
Cash only.
Good thing I brought small bills.
Wait, stop for a second.
Huh, what is it?
Look over here, the flowers.
Oh, wow.
They're so pretty, aren't they?
Yeah, there's so many colors.
I love flower stands. They always make me smile.
Do we really need flowers?
No, we don't need them.
Then why buy them?
Because they make the house feel nicer. They make the kitchen brighter.
They also die in a few days.
Tom, don't be so negative.
I'm just being honest.
Even if they don't last long, they bring joy now.
Okay, I guess flowers bring joy.
Exactly. Look at these sunflowers.
Wow, they're huge.
And so bright.
Very yellow.
They look like little suns.
They do. They're very cheerful.
Now look at these tulips.
Pink, purple, and white.
They're soft and elegant.
I like the colors.
Which ones do you like more?
I think I like the sunflowers.
Really? Why?
Because they look happy.
Happy?
Yeah, like the sun is smiling.
That's actually very cute.
Don't tell anyone I said that.
All right, sunflowers it is.
How much is one bunch?
Let me see. It says $10 for 5 stems.
That's not bad.
I think it's a good price.
Which bunch do you like?
This one right here.
Why that one?
The petals are perfect, no brown spots, and the stems look strong.
You really look at details.
Flowers are like fruit. You have to choose carefully.
Do we have a big enough vase?
Yes, the glass vase on the dining table.
The tall one.
Yes, the sunflowers will look great in it.
Okay, good.
The kitchen will feel more alive.
All right, I'll pay for these.
Really?
Yes, it's my treat.
That's very sweet of you.
Don't get used to it.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Okay, I think we're really done shopping now.
Yeah, we bought everything.
Fruit, vegetables, bread, and flowers.
And one croissant.
Don't forget the croissant.
These bags are getting heavy.
Very heavy.
Next time, let's bring more bags.
Or fewer ideas.
That's not possible.
True.
All right, let's find a place to sit.
Yes, please. My arms need a break. My arms are tired.
Vegetables are heavy.
Let's sit on that bench.
Good idea. Listen, live music.
Is that a guitar?
Yes, someone is playing.
This is nice. Put the bags down.
Careful with the peaches.
Don't worry, they're safe.
Okay, let's eat our croissant.
I'll break it in half.
It's still warm.
Here's your half.
Thank you. The chocolate is melting.
So good. Totally worth it.
I love Sundays like this.
No work, no stress, just good food and good company.
That's sweet.
We should do this every week.
Next Sunday again?
Yes, and next time, cheese.
Cheese week. I'm ready.
Let's go home and cook.
I'm hungry already.